So AI development companies, startups to large enterprises, if you're focused on AI and machine learning solutions, we have high quality data for training, improving model accuracy, and reducing bias. So how do we address the needs to an AI development company?
Yeah.
Rich real-time human data, bias reduction, ethical sourcing, costs and time savings.
Yeah. So economically, all those great things. Scientifically, to these companies, the Real Intelligence API allows for quick adaptation to your data needs. If you need it from certain people, if you find that you are lacking a certain demographic of data you are getting from, you can fill that quickly using the Real Intelligence API. And you don't even have to have all of your data come from Turtle. If you are augmenting or enriching the data set, which many firms do, you can do that using the Real Intelligence API. So if you're getting off the ground and you want to try your first data sets, use this. If you already have data sets and you're developing more AI and you need to enrich some stuff, use the Real Intelligence API. And you're going to get all the benefits. You're going to get the reduction in liabilities. You're going to get the best longitudinal real-time human feedback data directly from the data owners.
Yeah, and that's the beautiful part, especially when you look at not just high quality data access, ethical compliance, but the collaborative research features that we have in the system. I want to get into enterprise AI departments because this is different. You know, these large enterprises, they have in-house AI teams.
Yeah.
And it's different industries. And so we talked about this yesterday. I want to get into compliant data solutions, scalability, and integrations with existing systems in various industries.
Yeah, so for Turtle, it's really easy to bolt it into your workflows. Now, more often than not, when data is getting sourced through our AI partners, they just pull that data in and they put them into like S3 buckets, okay? And when that's there, then they take it and then in their servers, they train their models from it. If you're a larger enterprise firm, it's not difficult to test some of this data and bring it in. You can actually, your time to close, like you have mentioned before, becomes dramatically accelerated because all the permissions and consent happen ahead of time. You don't have to go to legal. You don't have to figure out like where all this stuff's coming from. You know, it's coming directly from that data producer. And the benefit at the enterprise level is that not only can you use the Real Intelligence API for your data sourcing, but if you're an enterprise that deals with consumers directly, we have other technologies that help you unlock even richer data from the people that you want to collect that data.
Yes, exactly.
We have options for those enterprises that have bodies of people, and we have options for enterprises that don't have those bodies of people but still need the data.
Yeah, and the needs that an enterprise AI department, especially these in-house ones, are regulatory compliance assurance, which we've got that nailed, and we've made several videos on that. Scalable data acquisition, and then API integration capabilities.
Yeah, so
It's real fluid.
Our teams are very helpful with guiding you through the API integration. We have fantastic documentation to do so. You're not going to miss a beat. We can hold your hand through it, give you the keys, give you a little bit of training, give you some examples on how to use this stuff. But if anything, it'll take you no more than 20 to 30 minutes if you have a normal amount of mental aptitude to figure out how to use this thing and then start sourcing that data directly from these parties.